That's 2 cups minute rice. Now we've got some clean diced portobello mushrooms. We've got some diced white onion here. I'll just put in a little bit of that for flavor. Now I've got 1 can of Progresso French onion soup. You can use any kind of canned French onion soup that you like. And I'm gonna go ahead and just fill this with some low sodium beef broth. I'm gonna fill up the same amount. So we're gonna have like 20 something ounces of liquid in here, enough to cook all that delicious, delicious minute rice. Now I've got some Parmesan cheese, and I am just gonna give a good layer of this, kind of covering everything here. This already smells so good with that French onion soup and our beef broth, all those mushrooms. Oh, smells amazing. I'm gonna do a little bit of soy sauce on here for more flavoring. Perfect. Now I've got some cube steak here. Perfect. I'm gonna put a little bit of onion powder on this. Garlic powder. Salt, oops, and pepper. And now I'm just gonna flip these over, and I'm gonna do the same with the other side. Alrighty, I got both sides of my cube steak here seasoned. I like the cube steak because it's a pretty affordable cut of meat. Like, you can get all 4 of these cube steaks for less than $10. I just got them at Walmart, but they have them at the regular grocery store too. And now I'm coming back in with that Parmesan. You could do shredded or shaved. And I am gonna put the rest of all of this in here because why not? It's gonna be delicious. All right, I'm popping my lid on here. I am gonna put this low and slow for 6 hours, or you can put it on high for 4 hours. Alrighty, everybody, we had this cooking for 6 hours on low. Look how fantastic and amazing that looks. We have got our cube steak here, perfectly cooked with our rice underneath and the mushrooms, flavored with that French onion soup. We got our real onions in here, our mushrooms. Oh, I just have a feeling this is gonna be really, really delicious. Such an easy dinner. We've got our cheese. Let me, look at that. Cooked perfectly. Get some of this rice, a mushroom, piece of our steak there. That's tasty. Y'all, this was so easy, so good. You gotta try it.